Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today we are continuing with part 8 interview series. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe channel. So, let's get started. Question 1. What is a clausure in Swift? A clausure is self-contained block of functionality that can be passed around and used in your code. It can capture and store reference to any constant and variables from the context in which it is defined. Next, how do you define a clausure in Swift? Clausure in Swift are defined within curly braces. Have a parameter list and a return type. You can check an example. What is the difference between a clause and a function in Swift? Clauses are similar to function but are more concise. Function are named block of code that can be reused and called elsewhere in your code, while clauses can be anonymous and are often used as arguments to high order functions. What is capture list in clausers? Capture list in clauser define the rules for capturing variables and constant from the surrounding context. They pretend strong reference cycle be specifying how variables should be captured either by value or by reference and can include weak and unbound references. What is the difference between weak and unbound reference in the capture list? Both weak and unbound reference are used to break strong reference cycle in clausers. However, a weak reference allows the capture value to become nil if it is deallocated, whereas an unbound reference assumes that the captured value will always be present and will result in the runtime error if it is deallocated. Next, what is escaping and non-escaping clauses in Swift? An escaping clausure is a clausure that is passed as an argument to a function but is called after the function returns. In construct, a non-escaping clause is executed within the function and does not outlive the function scope. When would you use escaping keyword in clauses parameter? You use the escaping keyword when passing a clausure as an argument to a function, and that clausures may be called after the function returns this information the compiler that the clausures need to be stored and executed later. How do you pass a clausures as a parameter to a function in Swift? Clausure can be passed as parameter to function just like any other data type. They are specified within a function's parameter list and are invoked within the function's body. What is trailing clauses syntax? Trailing clauses syntax is a shorthand for passing as clauses expressions to a function as its last arguments. When the clause is long or unclear, using trailing clauses syntax can improve readability by moving the clauses outside of the functions. Next, how do you use clauses for asynchronous operations in iOS development? Clauses are commonly used with asynchronous APIs such as networking request or data fetching. The clause is passed as an argument to the asynchronous functions and it is called once the operations completes, often with the result or error as parameters. So check out the full video for clauses and don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your developer groups. Thanks for